Good morning, Tehmina Khan is here in TK Maths is Fun. In today's video we will study pie chart, and here I have shown you the topics which I have picked up to revise few concepts to the students of year 7 and 8. So all the tick ones have been uploaded. I'll put the link of my blog where these are uploaded in the description below. So today we are studying pie chart. I'll make 3 videos on pie chart. Video number 1 will have regular question, the basic concept, and after that it will be extension, video number 2, and challenge, video number 3. So same concept, how it is made challenging, you will see there. And of course there you need to apply the knowledge of previously learned things, concepts. Now first of all you need to know what is pie chart. So basically in statistics there are different ways of presenting data. Data is the information we are gathering. So for example, you study pictogram. I have given here the types and the name so that you can relate. Pictogram, frequency table, line graph, bar graph. So if you see here, the names are written here. Okay, for example, if I see in pictogram, they are talking about cars. Now, what information about cars we don't know here right now. So next is frequency table, which is talking about scores. So maybe marks, how many students score those marks. And similarly, line graph is number of push-ups on each day. So maybe people are exercising, so they are calculating that data. So this is called data. Whatever information we are gathering about certain thing, that is called data, and how we present it. Because you can imagine if all the numbers are just written like this on the page, how difficult it would be to understand what we are talking about. Whereas if it is presented in one of the graphical form, it becomes easy to study. There are so many ways. I have just written here few. So pie chart is basically representing in a circle form, like this example, and different portions here are talking about different things we will talk about. You will understand from the question. And you have to remember one concept here, that in a circle, when we are talking about pieces, the sum of all the angles will be equals to 360, because it is angle at a point. Okay, so sum of all the angles will be equal to 360. And in pie chart, the important thing is big angles. Size of the pie chart doesn't matter. The same information one can present within this circle and one can present this within this circle. You know why? Because if I take two lines and suppose the angle between them is 40 degree, for example, if you extend the lines, do you think the angle will change between them? It will not change. So that's why the size of the circle the size of the circle does not matter here. Okay, so let's continue. So like I said, video number 1 will based on what? Basic question, basic foundation, okay, of the concept. So let's see here. So first thing is that information is given to you in the pie chart and you have to interpret it. In these 3 videos, I am not teaching you how to draw pie chart. There is a separate video for it. So first question is, total number of flavors are given to you here, which are 72, right? And which children are like their favorites. And it is given in the pie chart what degree is representing each type. For example, smoky bacon, prawns cocktail, salt and vinegar, Chinese and onion, ready salted. So you know their degrees. But this is not telling you how many students are liking it. So what is the technique to figure it out? Because the next question can be, which I have not put it up here, because I am building up the concept here. So I can say how many students, how many children like smoky bacons. So what you will do? It is 35 degree out of what? Total degrees are what? Of the circle. Total degrees are 360. So 35 degree out of 360 multiply by 72. Now this concept, I hope you understand, it is all connected. When you do 35 degree divided by 360 degree, it gives you the, what do I say, about one information, right? So you multiply it by 72 and you get number of students here. Similarly, if I ask you how many students like ready salted, what will you do? 135 degree out of 360 degree into 72. Now why I am writing 72? Because these are total number of students, total number. Imagine you get 8 marks out of 10 marks. Okay? It is nothing to do with degree, but I am trying to explain the concept here. So 8 marks out of 10 marks. If I ask you, convert it into percentage, you will do what? You will multiply it by 100%, right? If I say 8 out of 10 students, change them into angles in pie chart, because the total of pie chart is 360, you will multiply it by 360 degree. So this represents into what you want to convert it. You want to convert it into percentage, you want to convert it into degree. So here it is already given in the degree form and you have to convert it into students out of 72. So that's why we will solve it like this. Similarly, you can find out all the information of all the students, children. Okay, now let's see the same question, not the same question, but the pie chart question can be given in this form. Now pie chart is not here. What is here? People are given here, and what they're asking, find out the angle which will be represented by this information in the pie chart. Now what will you do? Do you know the total number of people? Very easy, you can calculate here. Total number of people are 60 if you add up all of them, right? So total number of people are 60. I want to make a pie chart for it. I'm not teaching, neither question is asking. Question is only asking how many degree each one of them will represent. Agreed? So you have to find out the angle each one will measure. Okay, so the technique will be same. 25 people out of 60 people into what? You are changing it into degree. Multiply by 360 degree. So you will get the answer. I will just calculate all of this together. So let me first explain. Similarly, I want to calculate Busch Gardens. There are 15 people who went there, or it is their favorite park, out of 60. So 15 out of 60, I want to see what it will be equivalent in degrees on the pie chart. So it is into 360. Similarly, 12 divided by 60 into 360. And the last one is 8 divided by 60 into 360. So now, if I just calculate it for you, 25 divided by 60 into 360 is 150. So if I will draw the pie chart, Disney World will be represented by 150 degree. 15 divided by 60 into 360 is 90. 12 divided by 60 into 360 is 72 degree. 8 divided by 60 into 360 is 48. Now to check my answer is correct or not, add up of all these degrees should be equals to what? 360, right? So let's add up all of them. 150 plus 90 plus 72 plus 48, 360. Okay, now one more thing you can understand here. The total degrees, I just want to explain you if somebody is still confused in this concept, right? If somebody, though one should not, but there is a possibility now. So if you see number of people and the degree relationship, right? So I know total people are 60 and total degrees are 360. Agreed? and I want to find out the degree for 25 people. So unitary method, we can do cross multiplication in this case. Some people are comfortable with this method. Okay, if this is equals to that, then what is this equal to? And because it is a direct proportion here, so it will be 60 times x is equals to 25 times 360, and I'll show you it will be same. 25 over 360, sorry, 25 over 60 into 360. Are you getting the same information which was here I have written? So if you are comfortable with this way, you can do it, but try to practice, try to understand the logic so that you can be quicker and faster in your calculation. So here we have seen, if information is given to you in the pie chart, how to convert it into number of people. And here if number of people are given to you and you have to find the angle for each, you can do that. Further, if it is asked how to draw that I will teach you in another separate video. Now let's see the last, okay, these were the only 2 questions I have taken into consideration. So then we will do extension videos and we will see more questions in this. So thank you very much for watching. Please press like and subscribe button and share it with your other friends or students. Take care. Allah Hafiz.